Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add money to PayPal from bank account. And here's how it's done. 1. Link your bank account to PayPal. Open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account. Go to Wallet on the website or bank accounts and cards on the app. Click Link a bank account and follow the prompts to add your bank account details. 2. Add money to your PayPal account. Once your bank account is linked, go to the Wallet section. Click on Add Funds or Add Money. Select your linked bank account as the funding source. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer details and click Add. 3. Wait for the transfer to complete. Transfers can take several business days to complete, depending on your bank. And that is everything you need to know about how to add money to PayPal from bank account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.